camera. Camera, check. I should cut this phone app, right? 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 Why the fuck am I loud? Why are you rocking here? Why would you do this? Oh, I need goggles. Hold it. I need my goggles.
Wait, hold on. I could go IRL. I could go back. I'll go back. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god.
Wait, did you shut the camera?
Huh?
Shut the camera?
Yes. Everything's good. Just keep right there. Stay right there. Just in case I gotta go back. Chat, I'm gonna stay right here because I'm a grown ass man, bro. Chat, listen, I'm gonna stay right here. This is grown ass man, bro. Go ahead. TyLil, just chill, bro. Just chill, bro. Chill, TyLil. Just chill. Bro, just chill. It's not this deep, bro. It's not this deep, gang. Stop. Just chill, TyLil. You coming here? You come here, I'm gonna call 911. You come here, I'm gonna call 911. Come here, I'm gonna call 911. Oh my god, watch out. You cannot get in, buddy. Next time. You cannot get in, buddy. Next time. You cannot get in, buddy. Just try it next time.
Turn that fucking logo.
Just try it next time, bro. Bro, just start a family, bro.